Hey, dear friends, I am Dr. R.B. Solanki from Vasantrao Naik Arts, Science and Commerce College, Shahada, Department of Chemistry. Students, we have already studied about the ideal and non-ideal solutions. Now here we have to study about the vapor pressure liquid and vapor pressure vapor composition curves or vapor pressure diagram of binary mixture. So here these are binary miscible liquid pairs are classified into three types. Out of the first is type 1. In this type, it involves the solution whose total vapor pressure is intermediate between those of pure components. Example for this is the cyclohexane and carbon tetrachloride. So here A is cyclohexane, B is carbon tetrachloride, and here PA0 is vapor pressure of pure component A, PB0 is the vapor pressure of pure component B. So here the vapor pressure of solution lies intermediate between the vapor pressure of pure components. So this is the type first. In this type of miscible liquid pairs, the vapor pressure of the solution shows positive deviation from the Raoult's law. This deviation is such that for all the compositions of the vapor pressure of the solution is always richer in more volatile component, and this is the all the compositions of the vapor pressure of the solution is always intermediate between the vapor pressure of pure components. The vapor above any miscible liquid pair is richer in more volatile component. So here we can see that the always vapor pressure is richer in more volatile component. Here in A and B, B is more volatile. So it shows higher vapor pressure. The vapor pressure above any miscible liquid pair is richer in more volatile component. Hence, vapor composition curve lies below the liquid composition curve. So here this is liquid composition curve, this is vapor composition curve. So at pressure P1, the vapors are always richer. So A dash is higher, A is less. Therefore, V, the vapor pressure of pure volatile component is higher here. So it has this value A dash. So always the liquid composition curve lies above the vapor composition curve, or vapor composition curve lies below the liquid composition curve. So in this way, this diagram can be explained. Hence, the liquid mixture of composition A exerting vapor pressure P1, this A, P1, the vapor pressure in equilibrium with this liquid exerts same vapor pressure but has different composition A dash. So this is the vapor composition A dash and this is the liquid composition A. The composition A dash of vapor is richer in more volatile component B. Compared to position A of the liquid mixture. So as compared to A dash is more richer in the more volatile component. It has higher vapor pressure. In this liquid mixture of type 1, the component B is more volatile than the component A. Therefore, vapors in equilibrium with the liquid at the same vapor pressure will be the always richer in more volatile component B. So in this way, we have explained the type number 1. Now consider type 2. This type involves the solution exhibit maximum in total vapor pressure curve. The example is methylaldehyde and carbon disulfide. This type of liquid mixture also shows positive deviation, here also positive deviation than the pure components from the Raoult's law. But the extent of deviation is high. Here the extent of deviation is higher than the pure components. It is observed that for some of the composition, maximum is obtained in vapor pressure curve. Since the vapor is richer in more volatile component, the vapor composition curve lies below the liquid composition curve. So here the vapor pressure is higher in more volatile component, hence the vapor composition curve lies below the liquid composition curve in both the diagrams, as shown in figure B. The liquid and vapor composition curve touches each other at the point of maximum, that is at point C. So here liquid and vapor both curves are meeting at one point. Therefore, the composition of liquid and vapors are same. The curve of type 2 composed of two curves of type 1. So these are the two curves of type 1. The first curve is due to the pure component A and the composition C, and second is pure component B and the composition C. So in this way, these are the type second consist of two curves of the type 1. Thus, liquid mixture of composition C corresponding to maximum in the curve, here C point shows the maximum in the curve, acts as other component for the both curves. The composition B is of liquid mixture. This composition B is of liquid mixture and B dash is the of vapor composition. So it is B dash is higher than B. Here C dash is higher than C in curve second. So here the maximum in the curve act as other component for the both the curves at composition B of liquid mixture. The vapor pressure has composition B dash richer in the component B, while at composition C the liquid mixture vapors has composition C which is richer in A than C. So here for this type second, the example is methylaldehyde and the carbon disulfide. Now consider type 3 for the vapor pressure diagram for binary miscible liquid pair. This is third type. This type involved the solution exhibit minimum in the total vapor pressure curve. So here the minimum in the total vapor pressure curve. This is minimum than the pure component A and B. Minimum in the vapor pressure curve. Example is acetone and chloroform for this liquid pair. This type of liquid mixture exhibit negative deviation from Raoult's law, such that for some composition of the solution, minimum is obtained in vapor pressure curve. So here is the minimum is obtained in vapor pressure curve than the pure component A and B. The liquid composition curve and vapor composition curve touch each other at point minimum vapor pressure, that is at point T. Here the vapor and liquid composition curve both are touching at one point, and the vapors and liquid compositions are same at this point as shown in figure C. Now the type 3 curve composed of two curves of type 1. So these are the two curves of type 1. One is for liquid solution D and pure component A, and other is for liquid solution composition D and pure component B. So in this way there are two curves of type 1 are present in this type 3. First, due to the pure component A and liquid mixture composition D, and the second curve is due to the liquid mixture of composition D and pure component B. So here there are the two curves of type first present in type 3. Thus, for liquid mixture of composition D, here liquid mixture of composition D is relatively richer in D dash, which is richer in more volatile component A. Similarly, for another curve, the liquid mixture of composition D, while for composition E of liquid mixture, the vapor had higher or richer in E dash. So here the composition E of the liquid and E dash of the component B. So here the component B is richer in higher volatile or higher vapor pressure. So in this way we can explain the type 3 of the total vapor pressure diagram curves.